I brought kids. Michaela ran away. Good morning, everybody. We are back on a Sunday morning with another installment of What Are We Doing Today? Same thing we did last week. Finishing up the tin. Gonna get the tin up and the top put in. This side is done. We're working on the driver's side today. I just have to drill all the holes. Christina will rivet them in while I put all the tin up in here. Dad made a trusty little tool. Let me show you this. Got this little tool here that will just go right up over top of that, and I can pound it down smoother and easier. Such a handy guy. Because I need to get it down past these holes. So it is quite a ways up above here, and I knew it was going to be tight going in there. So need to just bang that down, and then we can drill all those holes. The goal today is to have all the tin that we have installed, riveted in, ready to go. And then Dad and I are going to build the frame for the back door. So from down here beside the window up to here and across, and then we can make a pattern for here, because I'm going to have the sheet metal shop bend that for us, because they'll get a much more accurate bend on that radius, because it's pretty tight. I don't want to bend 16 gauge by hand for there. And then we'll order that metal, and if we're really ambitious and have a lot of time left, we will tackle the transition, because yeah, that's going to be the fun part. That's going to be a whole series by itself. Anyway, let's get the tarps off and get at it. Alright, my part out here is done. Drilled all these holes. Just waiting for Christina to stop visiting with my mom, and she can go put in the rivets. Yeah, I've moved in on the inside now, and I'm gonna be pounding this back one further down so that it catches the tin there, and then this second one I'm going to do. So I'm probably not going to, I'm going to do one section at a time, just so that I can make sure I'm getting it in right. Change of plans. I'm going to put the tin in all the way. I'll get all the tin all the way around, because it's this little tool that my dad made for pushing this down is working so good, and it's in there so tight it's not going to move, so I can just pound them all in and away we go. There we are, we're going to pressure wash the windows. It'll be much faster than the hard way. Before grossness all over it. Oh yeah, grossness. Okay. And after, oh boy, that pressure washer looks good. Much better. All nice and clean. A little bit of scrubbing by hand, but it took off all the heavy stuff that would have just made a mess in the house. Dad and I are gonna build the frame for in the back here now for the back door. I need to clean this up. I get the rust and paint and stuff out of here. But rather than sit here for 45 minutes with a grinding wheel, buffing wheel and a grinder, I'm going to sandblast it with this cute little tiny little sandblaster. So yeah, close your eyes. Yeah.
Keep going so they can really see.
Go that way first.
Yeah, well, we need to blood.
Okay. We'll catch right where the welding, or when we put the brace in it.
Well, yeah.
My toes are purple, you're gonna have to warm them up.
That comes with working on the bus, part of the job.
I don't see his toes going purple.
He wasn't washing.
He could have been.
Okay. We got a piece to fit right there.
Yeah, but you shouldn't have pressure on it going down.
I think it's gonna have to be. Okay, go up higher then.
Can I do this middle one?
Yes. Yes, the middle ones can take out 3 stitches.
Okay, that one. Okay, let it down. You got a hold of it?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, it's just, what it's wrong, guys, it's bent like this.
It's twisted.
It's twisted. So if we just stick a piece in there, we level it, stick a piece in there, and it'll hold it straight.
Yeah, okay. You passed it?
No, you have to jack it back.
No, I think you're past it.
Okay, hang on. A little bit more. A little bit more. You know, that should be fine. I can re-drill it.
This is almost like one of my freaking balance exercises I have to do every day.
Good for your feet.
No, I'm serious. I have to do the one with one foot in front of the other in balance.
Okay.
Yeah.
I left it. We'll cut the thing in the garage.
Yeah. Okay, we are at 48 and a half. Should be fine. Just a little
Flatter?
no, a little more. A little more. A little more.
How much past the holes did you go?
Okay.
I think it's too long.
I'll let you let it down. We'll have a look.
Once you got the handle,
Yeah.
I don't want to wear the necktie because it'll break my bloody neck, this thing.
This thing's heavy, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we'll have to pull that in like that. Back it in there, right? That should straighten it right out.
You weld it here,
Yeah.
like that.
What?
Great!
Who cares? So we all get a little bit of wet. What's a little bit of wet?
I'm not bringing my welder on, I know that much. Those things don't get along with... How would you measure that? You're an inch over. Oh, there.
Okay,
That's
stop,
good. Okay.
stop a smidge.
That's just about dead on. Got it? Another one?
No, right there. Right down.
What do I do if one of the thingy is stuck in here?
Put it right inside the shot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How's that got lined up?
Yeah. That'll land nice. Right there.
Yeah,
You
you
got
got
this one in first, and you can clamp it in.
just clamp it here and there. Well, here, as best I can.
And then I can drill it here and rivet inside.
Yeah.
And the outside, the tin will drop in there. We just drill holes and rivet it.
That's what we like. You may.
Got the back all done. Dad came out today when it was nice out because it's supposed to get crappy out today, and he welded this all back in. This frame we made, nice and solid. Nice and solid. All along, and then we just get the tin cut for it and put it all in. Now, depending on the weather this week, might come back on the weekend and do these rivets, but we'll see. It's supposed to be kind of a crappy weekend, so we'll see. I'm doing a little bit of a video here. I came here today. I was gonna do some work and do up in these because we ran out of time yesterday, but my back hurts from yesterday, so I'm not doing that. Came and measured the tin for where we're blanking out these windows. There's 4 for sure and 2 maybes, so I'm getting 5 blanks, 5 panels made to go in there, because one of them we may not do at all. So that's it.